Hey guys, this is Mike from M&R. Today we're installing a 40-inch light bar onto the roof of the Ford Bronco Raptor. This bar is 40 inches in length and is offered in either white, amber, or white with amber DRL. As you can see, we're the only company that are capable of reusing the factory caps to hide all the bolts and the mounting hardware. Alright, first thing we're going to do to mount the 40-inch light bar onto the roof of the vehicle is remove the end caps. We are going to be using them. All you have to do is press down. There's a button on top, and then you just lift up, and here's the button that you're pressing down. Next thing we're going to do is take these two out, slide them in our bracket, and put them back in. We're going to slide them in our bracket, put these back, and reuse the same nuts that we removed. The M&R kit is designed so that way you can reuse the end caps. So we're gonna go ahead and get those clipped back on. And these are the tabs for the light bars. We're gonna do the same thing on the driver's side, and we're gonna go ahead and thread the light bar through it. So just like the passenger side, we're gonna go ahead and press the button to release the end caps. Press it down, pop it up. These are 10mm bolt nuts, so we're gonna go ahead and back those out. We're gonna go ahead and slide the M&R bracket through it and put the cradle back on and put the exact same nuts back onto the bolts. And now we're gonna go ahead and tighten it. End caps back on. Now we're ready to put the light bar in between the two mounts and go on with the wiring. Good. Now that we got that side bolted, we're going to go ahead and put this one on and tighten it with an Allen wrench. Our light bars come with either a single or dual functionality. The single function light bars, they're going to have two wires, which is going to be a positive and a negative, and those come in either white or amber. If you choose the dual function light bar, it has an extra lead, which would be the amber DRL feature. So power to the white light, power to the DRL feature, and this goes to the ground. In terms of the wiring for the roof mounted bar, there's two options. Option number one, you can take the wire and you can use silicone to beat it under and then run it to the auxiliary switches. The actual correct way of doing it is drilling through underneath the end cap. There's another video on YouTube that you could take a look at people doing it. When you drill through the end cap underneath this plate, there's a auxiliary wire that's already ready, waiting, providing you power for the light bar itself. You will get one power lead. It won't work for the dual function light bars, but it'll work for the single function light bars. You'll drill underneath this cap, feed the wire through, put silicone, and put the cap back on. In the link, I'll address the video of somebody actually doing it on YouTube, so you can take a look at an example.